Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload videos in the best possible quality on Discord. Whether you're sharing clips with friends, showcasing gameplay, or dropping a quick tutorial, getting that crisp upload makes all the difference. Let's jump right into it. First, open Discord on your phone. Once you're inside the app, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you into your personal settings area where we'll make sure your video uploads look their absolute best. Next, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear and sits near your name and profile picture. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of settings that control how Discord works and how your messages and media are sent. Now, scroll down until you find an option labeled Chat. Go ahead and tap on it. This section includes everything related to how your messages, images, and videos are displayed and sent through Discord. Once you're in the chat settings, look for the video quality option. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it and select best quality from the available choices. By selecting this, Discord will make sure your videos are uploaded with the highest quality possible, keeping the details sharp and the resolution clear. After you've made that change, you're good to go. From now on, every time you upload a video to Discord, it will use the best quality setting available based on your connection and device capabilities.